This is Team Paris Saint-Germain, and this is us attempting to solve the roommate crisis. So what we've created is something called Macro Apartment Solver, which just runs a loop of the SIP math solver. The idea behind this is to solve the problem of selecting rooms for new flatmates or roommates, and the goal is to maximize the difference between roommates' willingness to pay so as to optimally distribute the rooms and rent. So it's attempting to save money for everyone as a whole rather than valuing someone paying the most for the room up front.
So what the program does is everyone simultaneously writes down and shows each other the price that they would personally be willing to pay for each room. And we are assuming that all roommates, in this case it's 3 roommates, are honest. And then the solver will maximize the collective profit and share it. The way it does this is it does a loop through all the possible combinations of rooms, and then it will test the first combination against the second and keep whichever combination has the highest collective savings. It will keep doing that all the way down the list of room combinations, progressively eliminating the one with the lowest collective savings. And with this process, the solver will save the optimal room combination. And if there's excess profit or the room combination doesn't reach the total rent value, the difference of that is shared equally between the roommates.
Great. So for the flaw of averages that this program solves is the weak form is being right on average but ignoring the uncertainty. So what this does is if people bid for the rooms, they'll get the right room on average, but people will not be paying the right price on average. And the strong form, which is being wrong on average, so some roommates or some rooms are distributed based on first come first served basis, so that doesn't take into account different prices, and on average people will get the wrong rooms.
And then just for the uncertainties, we're just assuming that all the roommates are both accurate and honest, which is a difficulty but an assumption we're making.
So how the program works is step 1, you enter the price that you pay for the apartment, and step 2, the value of the total amount of rooms must equal the apartment value. So ideally people would be inputting and showing each other their numbers at the same time and then be inputting in the boxes as shown here. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go and you're gonna run the macros apartment solver just right here. And so what it's doing is it's running a loop of the solver in Excel, and as you can see from down here the results, you can see what's going on, and it's keeping the best solution that saves the most amount of money for everyone. So then you can see the price that everybody pays, what room they get, and the amount of savings they have.